Pete, this is the end of quite a long trip. Kids have been really busy, seen a whole lot of things. So Kumikumi's investing quite a lot of money in this. What do you guys want to see out of this?
Well, first of all, I'd like to tino mihi atu ki te whānau o Kumikumi Trust. Mō rātou whakai ki te waiwai tēnei kaupapa.
Right.
Yeah, our Kumikumi Trust people have forgone their dividend and gone to this kaupapa because they can see the big picture.
So what's the big picture?
Well, the big picture is our rangatai, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're the people of tomorrow. They're going to be our leaders in the future.
Yeah.
So, if we can get them onto this buzz of innovation.
Yep.
In the science, the technology, the engineering, the mathematics. Because a lot of our young Māori children don't sort of get that area. Very small uptake of that. So, with this venture, it can be maybe a pilot for things to come for not only our Kura at Wharekura Mauao, but the wider Māori community. Yeah.
So what's amazed you about this trip in terms of the kids and the students? What kind of things have you seen?
I think what I've really been amazed about is the organisation of it all. That the people that Anne has connected up with it for us. These people have been really inspiring, for our kids. When we first started off, they were a little bit shy, a little bit slow to get going,
Yeah.
a little bit shy to stand up and talk. But with the videos that have been taken, you see in the last few days, the confidence, not scared to ask questions, to delve into further questions. How to greet people, how to look people in the eye. Ask those real deep questions. We enjoyed that. The kids have been really well behaved.
The kaiako have been very
All our
supportive, Kura and Grant.
That's just a reflection of their mahi with the Kura.
Yeah.
Been fantastic. Our boys, the three boys here.
The huckers.
Yeah, the huckers. They've been really good leaders actually. Well, not only them, but the kōpiro as well.
Yeah, beautiful.
Stood up and do the mihi to the kaikōrero, those what are they? The professors, I guess. Yeah, really impressed with them.
So what do you hope in terms of the future comes out of this in terms of these kids? What is your hope?
Well, that's the big question is the sustainability. What's going to happen from now on? We've obviously got to get around the table again with the Kura, with the Kumikumi Trust. We've had NZQA come on board. We've had Callaghan Innovation, who have been a big instigator of what's been going on as well.
And
yourself with the Treasury,
yep.
looking at this. I don't know what to call it, a pilot, but this venture, I guess.
Yeah.
So we've still got to sit around the table and see what's going to be taking place over the next year. The immediate meeting we're going to have with the Kura and their parents, and get the Kumikumi people in there just to show them, how positive this has been. So we've still got to work that out, but we definitely want to sustain it. I don't know if we'll do it again next year, but possibly the year after that. We're definitely we're gonna stretch it out and see if we can go further.
Awesome,
Pete.
Pete.
We've got a 5-year venture with the Wharekura, so this is the first year, so we've got 4 to go.
5 years worth of investment, yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Kia ora, Pete. Kei te mihi atu.
Yeah.